Mabuhay everybody, and today we're going to be unboxing the newest Changan vehicle. This is the X7 Plus and it's a 7-seater, and we're going to see all the things that you get with the X7 Plus. So without further ado, let's get to know it. Starting off with the looks, but before I get into what you get here in the front, we need to talk about the design language, because Changan is positioning the X7 Plus as a vehicle for people who have families but also want style. They prioritize the way it looks. It's also something for people who want sophistication and a little more fashion in their car. So this design language is called the Surge Flow Grille. So you can see it has these nice shiny accents here in front, but apart from that, you also get LED headlights and LED DRLs. Also, you also get this nice small embedded camera for the front system of the 360-degree view camera system that the Changan X7 Plus also has. Over at the side is where you can see the proportions of the X7 Plus, because this, after all, is a 7-seater vehicle supposed to carry 7 people comfortably. But the things you get: 19-inch alloy wheels, turn light indicators over here, another cluster for your camera here, supposed to help the 360-degree view camera as mentioned over there at the front. And down below here, you can see that there are some red accents that's supposed to, I think, add a little more style to the X7 Plus. Over at the rear, you get a third brake light over here by the spoiler. You get LED taillights and also a rear fog lamp. But now it's time to go inside. Remote start. So now we're in the first row of the Changan X7 Plus, and let's talk about the things that you get here inside. So first things first, you get a 12.3-inch infotainment screen that's touchscreen, has Bluetooth connectivity capabilities, no Android Auto, no Apple CarPlay, but you also do get a Car Auto Connect, which is, I think, Changan's own system for you to mirror your phone to the screen over here. The instrument cluster is a 7-inch digital unit, and over here in the steering wheel on the left side, you have your controls for the 360-degree view camera. You also have controls for a cruise control. It doesn't have ADAS, but it has cruise control nonetheless. Also over here is to change the screen a little bit so you can see the different information that the car wants to show you. On the right side, you have the buttons for the infotainment screen here. And on the lower left side here, you have your controls for the adjustment of the headlights, leveling. You also have the controls for the adjustments of the side mirrors, to turn off the what they call this, traction control, hill descent control, and on the lowermost part is the button to turn off the vehicle start-stop system. Here below, you have physical buttons for the air conditioning system. It's an automatic system, only single zone. Down below that, you have your 12-volt socket. You have 2 USB ports for your phones. There's a little space here for your mobile phone or whatever. It's not a wireless charging pad, but there's a space here nonetheless. Gear lever, start-stop button, handbrake, auto hold, 2 cup holders, and a glove compartment here. Other materials though is that there's this nice different material that Changan chose to put in the X7. It's not leather. I think it's supposed to be faux Alcantara, and there's also these contrasting beige, orange, bronze, I said a lot of colors, stitching here, and a faux wood panel over there. So that's the first row. It's a nice place to be in, comfortable, everything straightforward. Now we're here at the second row, and of course, because the X7 Plus is a people carrier, you also get a lot of space. Legroom is decent. This is my driving position. Headroom's good. Elbow room, everything's fine here in terms of space. But in terms of features, you also get 2 separate aircon vents here. You have 1 USB charger down here, and I like that there's a center armrest with 2 cup holders. And of course, the very big panoramic sunroof. Here in the third row, again, because the X7 Plus is a people mover, it has decent headroom, space, and of course leg room and all of that for even somebody my size. In terms of amenities, you get cup holders on each side of the passengers. So in terms of cargo space, as you can see, there's a lot of it with the seats folded flat down here. But even with the second row folded up and deployed, the third row folded down, there's still decent space for anything that you might need. Powering the stylish and people mover X7 Plus is a 1.5-liter gasoline turbocharged engine that makes 185 horsepower and 300 Newton meters of torque. This engine is then mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. The Changan X7 Plus is an affordable 7-seater in this class that's stylish, safe, and tech-laden. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel below, and also don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. This has been Pablo Salapaton of YugaAuto. Thank you for watching. Paalam!